Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best French door refrigerators are probably one of the most sought-after kitchen appliances today, blending sophisticated aesthetics with unparalleled functionality, and offering a spacious, easily accessible main compartment that keeps your fresh foods visible and within reach, while the lower freezer drawer provides ample organized storage for all your frozen goods, making it an ideal choice for families and anyone who loves to entertain, as it combines style, convenience, and efficiency seamlessly into one elegant package. Number 5. GLACIER Fresh DA29-00020B Refrigerator Water Filter. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced refrigerator filter. It's designed to significantly reduce impurities for your peace of mind. Rest assured, this filter has been rigorously tested and verified by independent laboratories to meet NSF 42 standards. It effectively removes chlorine, improving the smell and taste of your water. This filter is compatible with a wide range of Samsung refrigerator models, including those using DA29-00020B and HAFSIN EXP part numbers. Check our list to ensure a perfect fit for your appliance. Enjoy hassle-free setup with our easy-to-install filter. No tools are required, allowing you to replace it in minutes and get back to enjoying fresh water. For the best performance, we recommend replacing the filter every 6 months or after 300 gallons. This ensures continuous reduction of contaminants and optimal water quality. We stand by the quality of our product, which has passed strict testing for your safety. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This water filter is tested and verified to remove 97.9% of chlorine, significantly improving the taste and smell of your water. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to get cleaner, better tasting water from your Samsung refrigerator, this is a great option. If you want a filter that's easy to install without any tools, this one is for you. What people say. Water tastes good, remember to run some water through it when you first install it. Works as good as the expensive ones as far as I can tell. Water tastes fine and ice is fine. Have not had one leak after installing them. The quality is just as good, if not better. Right after installation, I noticed an immediate difference in the flavor of the water. It tastes crisp, clean, and super refreshing. It completely got rid of the slight aftertaste we were used to, and the water is now something we actually enjoy drinking. The fitment was perfect. It snapped right into place like an OEM part with no leaks, no hassle. Plus, the water flows faster than it did with the previous filter, which is a nice bonus. The filter is constructed identically to the Samsung filter. It installed the same way and fits snug, no leaks. The true value of these filters will be verified when my refrigerator indicates it's time to replace the filter. The Samsung filters require replacement about every 6 months. If the refrigerator indicates a shorter replacement window for GLACIER Fresh filters, then I'll know the filter itself is not as viable as the Samsung filters. However, at this price, even if I need to replace them every 3 months, they're still a bargain. So far, 3 weeks in, the filter is working flawlessly. Number 4. hOmeLabs 120 Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. Introducing the hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler, your ultimate solution for chilled drinks. This compact yet spacious unit is designed to keep your favorite beverages perfectly cool. With its sleek design and glass door, it adds a touch of style to any space. It's the perfect electric beverage chiller for your home or office. Enjoy ample storage for up to 120 cans, making it ideal for both beer and wine enthusiasts. Keep a variety of drinks ready for any occasion. Achieve the perfect serving temperature with its precise temperature regulation. You can easily set it to keep your drinks just the way you like them. Our efficient cooling mechanism ensures your drinks are always refreshingly cold. It works quietly and effectively to maintain optimal temperatures. Forget about manual defrosting. This unit features an automatic defrost function, ensuring hassle-free operation and consistent cooling performance. What we like. This beverage cooler offers a stylish way to keep your drinks perfectly chilled, holding up to 120 cans. If you're looking for a compact and efficient way to store a variety of beverages for parties or everyday use, this is an excellent choice. If you appreciate precise temperature control and a sleek design for your home, bar, or office, consider this model. What people say. The compressor is surprisingly quiet and has no noticeable rattle during startup and stopping. It reached set temperature fairly quickly. It keeps the drink super cold. I like how you can see all the drinks so you don't have to open it to pick what you want. It looks very nice. You'll get compliments and questions for sure. It has an LED light you can turn on or off. The glass front is clear but does appear slightly tinted. Number 3. Whirlpool WP12956202 French Door Refrigerator Water Tank Assembly. Ensure the quality of your appliance with genuine OEM parts. They are designed specifically for your refrigerator and meet Whirlpool's high engineering standards. This water tank assembly is a direct replacement for part numbers WP12956204, 67006323, and 12956202. It's designed to fit seamlessly. It is compatible with various Whirlpool models, including MFI2269VM, GI0FSAXV, KFIS20XVMS, MFI2269VEW, and MFI2269VEB. Keep your refrigerator running smoothly. Don't compromise with aftermarket parts. This high-quality replacement comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. For over 100 years, Whirlpool has been dedicated to appliance care. This part is made with durable materials and innovative processes to keep your home humming. What we like. This is a genuine OEM water tank assembly designed specifically for Whirlpool French door refrigerators, ensuring quality and compatibility. If your current water tank is malfunctioning or you need a reliable replacement, this part is built to meet high engineering standards. If you value peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and durable construction, this is the part you need. What people say. Work great, wasn't too bad to install, just a lot of racks to pull out them, of course, then you have to clean everything before you put it back together. Wow, you have it all out. Search for online videos on how to replace. If you are kind of handy with tools, you can do this repair yourself. Number 2. EUHOMY 130 can Beverage Refrigerator Cooler. Keep your drinks at the perfect temperature with our Smart Touch panel. You can precisely adjust the temperature in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments, from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring optimal chilling every time. Experience powerful and even cooling with our advanced air circulation system. The tempered glass door and tight seal keep the cold air in, maintaining the ideal temperature for your beverages. This compact unit offers a generous 3.2 cup capacity, holding up to 130 cans. With 4 removable shelves, you can customize the interior to fit various drink sizes. It features adjustable feet for stability and reversible hinges for flexible door placement. The quiet, energy-efficient compressor ensures it won't disturb your peace. Rest assured with its ETL certification and our 24-hour online customer service. We offer 12 months of product support for your peace of mind. What we like. This beverage refrigerator boasts a generous 130 can capacity and precise temperature control, making it ideal for keeping all your favorite drinks at the perfect temperature. If you need a versatile cooler for home, office, or bar that can accommodate various drink sizes and operates quietly, this is a fantastic choice. If you want a sleek, modern design with advanced cooling technology, this model is worth considering. What people say. It does a great job at keeping things cold, and has lots of room. The glass door looks sleek and modern while letting you easily see what's inside, and the interior LED lighting adds a nice touch without being overly bright. Cooling performance is excellent. The fridge cools quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, keeping drinks refreshingly cold at all times. Number 1. GE Profile PVD 28 BYNFS 36 4-door French door refrigerator. Introducing the GE Profile 36-inch 4-door French door refrigerator. It offers a generous 27.6 cubic feet of total capacity, perfect for busy households. With its large capacity, you'll have plenty of room for all your groceries. Enjoy flexible storage solutions designed for families and those who need extra space. Get refreshing cold filtered water, along with cubed and crushed ice, right from the front door. It's the ultimate convenience for your family. This refrigerator is thoughtfully designed for standard kitchen layouts. Its depth allows for full door swing, ensuring easy access to everything inside. Experience advanced cooling technology with our multi-air flow system. It maintains consistent temperatures throughout, keeping your food fresher for longer. Keep your appliance looking its best with its stylish fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish. It's as practical as it is beautiful. What we like. This GE Profile French door refrigerator offers a massive 27.6 cubic feet capacity and convenient external water and ice dispenser, perfect for busy households. If you're looking for a spacious and feature-rich refrigerator that keeps food fresh with advanced cooling technology, this is an excellent option. If you want a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish and ample storage for all your groceries, this model is a top contender. What people say. The interior lighting is vibrant and adjustable via the app. LED wall is attractive and useful. The convertible drawer is more and more useful, offering multiple temperature options depending on your needs. The door-in-door feature is great for frequently accessed items like coffee creamers and the like, used 3 times as often as opening the main doors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.